Welcome back to Davi Dan HD, viewers and subscribers. It's February, it's a new month, and here we have a new movie. This one is called Guilty Before Truth. So here I go on, the usual, like, subscribe, comment, and so we are trying, even my goal for the end of the year is to reach at least 20,000 subscribers. So if you can help me, that would be a great thing. We're on our way to 7,000. Late last year we start, so we're just there to do it. We're about the movie, so I'm just going to watch. Tell my friend, subscribe, get the thing bigger, get it larger, so we can do it on a wider scale. But for now, just enjoy the show, get some popcorn and do the right thing. Alright? Alright. You?
Yeah, that's me. Is this
So,
you?
True, where are you? Are you there? How come some blinking arm also? What going?
No, say about it, dog. I know some things are going to you, bro. And I have some work on me to do and one. You know, too really I go up on the road. I'm say I want to start in life, so. You that. What do you mean? Bro, far we are come from, you know. Not really say far. Far. We are come from far, bro. So I'm surprised that I said I'm telling you to come meet me, so bro.
I like you tell that. Yo, we even know if ride bike.
No. Alright, park it. Park
Yo, we have to get some, respect, we have to get some practice to do that. Yo, right now. You like so?
You like so, bro, but I said it, man, you could have stunt. Boy, you can't stunt, boy.
Dog, I don't even know what you do with that. Yo, you know, long more link and get up and set near.
Why you want to go so far and you can't ride, bro?
But yo, what TV I made is fate. That's what I'm guessing on my bike. What do you mean me can't ride? You just see I'm wheelie a while. You never wheelie bike, eh?
No, bro, me I saw you just, you so bad. Bro, me I get a start, you know, bro. In a life, you know. Me don't get, go mash up yourself now, you know, bro. Because I don't want nothing, you know, bro, for your family, them come to me and say, me give a bike, so you go mash up yourself, dog.
Alright, tell her. I'll get some more practice thing. If anything make you go for it,
yeah, bro, go up a bush, bro, go ride and now go up on the road till it become perfect. Go and go practice.
Yo, only for respect. So I kind of okay have do a yard, my dog.
You have house work, home and work, yard work. Yeah, name them. We have holy power.
Yeah, normal free. I don't even want to know yard, but yo, respect a lot, dog. Right now you need to know what you do for me. I don't even know what you do for me, dog. So why pretty different in idea?
So I did me there, bro. I'm going to check out one cat to do just about. So I do and go over here and go do some house work. Me start already, you know. So I do some cleaning and something. Because my mom said pull up. You know, we are girls long time, you know.
Alright, tell her, my dog. I'll get some practice for bush. Only for respect, yeah?
Alright, no respect.
Alright.
Start the bike, bro.
No, let me up a bush, man. Let me up a bush.
Alright, bro.
Alright. I'm going to do something.
B, what you mean by, I don't understand the text that I just get from you. What you mean by you go just left me so after everything I do for you, everything we go through? And you not have a steady reason? No sir, I don't get this. Just so. Hello, let me tell you this. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to make you stress me now. I can't get somebody who you better than you and treat me better than you. Who you, man? Me not go on.
Hey,
Come here then.
what do you?
Me are trying to understand something.
Mm-hmm.
So, that the one they called me a while ago was saying done. Just so.
What? So what happened between the two and make him done?
I me try to figure out cause last time we check up. And I him alone have where man can give me.
Exactly.
I'm gonna come talk about him done and him done for real this time.
Kia, hold on. Ain't give you no reason.
No reason, just say him done. I'm a forgo my ways.
You thank him.
Thank him. Me tell him say. Just know say me go find somebody way better than you.
Thank you, my girl. Come in, us. Me raise you right. Good, better, best.
Me don't know what happened to him.
Just dump your soul.
Just so. And I don't do this to cross his boy nothing.
Well, him do you a favor. That's why I tell you to thank him. Can him do you a favor? Can imagine if you did that with them in the next 1, 2, 3 years, eh?
Yeah, man.
And put in more time and waste that time.
Less problem and stress now. Me focus on myself.
I bet you if you focus on, you're a beautiful black woman.
What mommy? Hold on there, mommy. Hold on there. Cause you are go too fast now, you know. Then mommy, suppose me go take up somebody. Suppose me go take up somebody and then treat me worse than him. Cause me didn't love him, you know.
Me know, baby girl, me know. Me know. You hear the saying, want it, can't get it, no want it. Them don't know a good woman when them find one, you know. I saw some man fool.
Mommy, sure. Maybe I go be alright.
Of course. Baby girl, the bigger the test, the bigger the blessing. This is just a start off, an entry. Then you go to your main course. Don't make fear hold you back, baby girl. Look how you're beautiful and stunning and petite and nice. You know how much man want you?
Yeah, but my love him still, you know, mommy. I never really want any relationship, so you know.
Me know. But don't cry over disappointment, yeah?
Me not cry, me just feel away, you know.
Of course, you're a human and you have feelings. You can't understand what do the tomboy, you know.
But anyways, we all look ahead of we married.
Looking to you. The ancestors do this for a reason. Now is your time, my girl. This is our year, you know. 2026 is our year.
I go look at man now.
Well, make it take time. In time, the right one will come.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Nobody will make it stress you out here.
Yeah, man.
Him not worth it. Alright, now I got to cook your favorite dinner.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, cool your head. Me soon come.
It's a crisis, boy. Eh? Just come in my life and come through.
So far. Where you get bike from?
Oh, look.
I owe you a bike.
Oh, we look. I that me ask her. Oh, he look.
What's wrong with you?
Bike look.
Rip up your bike on me yard front, man.
Oh, look.
Hey, look, alright, where you get bike from? What is this to come? I'm not a bike, a thief.
You see a Tibi give me bike to go on normal way.
Timmy, give your bike.
Eh. Oh, look. Oh, son.
Why Timmy give your bike?
The dog say you some work at the yard and sitting. So
So if you parking bike on your yard, why
no,
you give the bike?
the dog say he knows some more movements more right. So he just give me for go on now.
So you can't move on your foot if I get so you can't ride bike?
Put my foot in a fast like bike. So anyways,
Davi, you know what the bike look? The bike look like one bike. It look alright. It's a skin off for 32 teeth them saying in your head.
I 31, I lose all them what they on the job.
Listen to me, I feel like if I give back to being bike, you know.
What?
You can't ride bike.
You see me a weave here a while ago?
Me not see me see I make one bag of knives and me ears
And you
wall.
go see me make more. You go see me make more. Wait till me learn to ride this. We are St. Mary,
Sometimes-
Kingston, St. Catherine.
Pow, bike.
Paul, I have the head top. Anywhere you buy cat Frank, you sing the anywhere you go.
Me realize say you're the bigger one, but you're dumb. You're dumb like donkey. You know how much sense.
Why?
You cut up you got St. Mary pan bike.
You go anywhere on bike.
Suppose all the bike mash up and now. You go have to buy back TB bike, you know.
If the bike mash up,
Me tell you
the
what.
buy back. Me rich.
Let me tell
Me
you.
rich.
Stay back to me bike again. And walk on your foot.
You're sick, man. You're sick. Foot can't carry me go to Panama. Me put on both engine and ride go to Panama. You know about bike? You know what is a motorcycle?
See me want sometimes when my mommy get it from me now. Sometimes I wonder if at the bottom or the top you drop out through. But clearly like at the bottom you drop through.
If you drop through bottom, you will drop on your head. Cause you don't have no sense.
Me
I show you a bike. But anyways.
Me think I care back your bike. For the love of God, cause you can't ride back. I don't want to see you spread out right now. Cause me up my blood pressure.
Nah, sir, everything good, man. Just normal. It's normal, man. But anyways, I show you it still. Me not too hot. Well, still honestly, me not too hot pan yet still. As much as you see me a wheelie and come and
Me never see a wheel on the bike.
As much as me a wheelie and come a while ago, me not too hot pan yet still. Still, you see me so.
You didn't know see a salt?
I'm getting so.
You remember when you borrow John bike and you go spread out and fight, mash up your whole life? We go do it to be bike now.
Go wheel it.
You think if you care about the bike, man, me and your sister, listen to me, man. Bring back the bike.
Sis.
Bring back the bike, you know.
Sis.
Don't let me sleep on the bike.
Like I eat that you want to take people fast. First thing first, no boy can't take me feed that, you know. Oh, no boy can't take me feed. See me all nearly job. No boy can't take me feed that because first thing, and I said this said that you say around bright. I don't yard me I go film too. I want to contact people for feed that. Like saying feed say so you good.
Oh.
Just want to get up and lift up. And you know mad.
Care about the bike, please.
No, man, you can't that. You
Tell
can't
me no
that.
fool, morning.
Good morning,
No
Sean.
fool, brother.
No, sir, make it on that. Me not think that don't make no sense. Me not think that make no sense.
You know what?
What?
Listen to me. Don't come over me yard. Me your brother, and I love you. Bring back TB bike. Because all of us with the TB want to give you bike. That's not so right. Bring him back, bring him back.
Tell her, me, I will go up a bush go practice. So, in a little come on, alright?
My hurt yourself. Don't bother go up a bush, go run over when I stomp them and spread out.
Don't make your blood pressure run up. I think about
No,
me.
me not think about you.
Me can control myself, alright? Alright. Yo, come on, yeah.
I thought it was some people ride bike.
D, I want you don't say me miss you though. I love you, baby. Can't stop think about you. Every night I go to bed and dream about you. So, what happened? So, not that ever said be a long time ago. So, take off yours too, know? B, how you want me to take off my shirt then and take off your blouse it?
Hello, hi. Where in here do? Listen to me. Me need to get something straight right now.
On the road, me I come go here now.
Which part which road? You don't see me turn up in front here. Which part which road?
So, you know, see,
Hello, me tell you this. Me and you not done. Me and you can't done say no. Today I not saw this work.
so you know, see, I beard me just done beard and I put on my shirt to touch the road. And what kind of style
Where
that,
just
bro?
done? Me not hear her phone in here. I mean, no, me not mad. I should have want to get in here.
So what if me dey on my phone? Yeah, me dey on my phone with my personal woman and you come in and
Your personal. Your personal.
You know me ex.
So,
You forgot?
Tibi.
How long now me left here?
What you call how long now? 24 hours, not even reach 24 hours, Tibi. About 20 minutes ago, you text me and tell me, say me left. Who see so?
That woman I call back. Bro,
Tibi.
relax, bro. I ain't not there on call, bro. We done left.
Well, I have to go explain to that the girl there.
How much I come mash up
And I
relationship?
hit my combo. I mash you and mash up my life.
Kindly please take your time and go through that brown door there and find your way to go where you come from.
So, Tibi, me can ask you a question. Where all of this are for, me not do nothing. Where all of this are for?
You still a talk? Kindly take your way, go through that brown door
Tibi,
and
listen
find
to
back
me.
your way where you come
Listen to me,
from.
because I don't take rejection. Let me tell you this and me tell you this good. Look at me. Me not take rejection here. Me can get any man. And who you be again? Who is you?
So we-
Whatever did I do don't for me, everything me have to do for you.
So you-
Me wash, cook and clean and me do everything for you. Who is you? Who is you?
Yo, I want to call back woman now. You go, woman
Yeah, your
jealous.
man frownsy.
Me
Maybe
woman
this.
oh, so you never used to frown?
You're bright here and me have used to have your tell if be a tippy guan.
Go on, if you a catapult stick.
Who the dirty you?
Call back, oh man, I know. Yeah, baby, sorry about that. Goat them, they got tired. Go look on the goat them like dog did a rush them, you know.
But awesome. Man, I've got to take 5 dog. I'm foot the goat. Where are you with?
What are you?
Oh, you know, say I'm there, I go and practice 2
See
wheel.
you bye bike.
Yeah, man. Me want one bike, come here, go on road, you know.
How much you pay for it?
350,000.
See, they have them the money there along.
That only for money me have, man.
Oh,
So I go on.
nothing me no say I longer way me take. To go me here, cause they say shortcut, child, you know.
But you look like you're in some troubles, man. I'm tell you.
No, sir, me need no troubles.
You look worried, man.
No. No,
Chat
sir.
to me, man. Chat to me. Chat me a long time. Me and you live over there, you know.
Kinda. Me kinda.
Why problem?
But you know, me I forget about him, me can't hungry. The crisis boy, when me there with no say he move on, me feel leave him alone. So me leave him alone.
So what do you think could have caused that?
Oh. Me need to change. Every time I tell you, you need to change, you need to change. What me need to change? Oh, you're too toxic. The more me be toxic, man, I go take me feed that. I feel toxic in this world. You don't feel so?
Well, to be honest, you know, Shan, you know, say, no man never take me for eat that. Me can't really explain what you are feel, say, but me don't know. Me feel like say if you
But
him
want to take your feed that you will feel
no,
how you
sir.
feel.
If that not come to me, now go in a relationship there.
You want me to take your feed that then?
No, sir.
Oh.
But what me I say? So him tell us to change. You try change.
Me try change what the little crisis boy have had a problem in just want go worry and know them way there.
So him try change. I you don't need him to change.
Him need for change and him not change and him want me for change. Now me a be bigger person, him still a problem. Listen, me no want to talk
Well,
about him.
Shan maybe that's why you left, you know, because him say alright, you know, go work.
Yes, and him no go on.
So I just want to endure them, man. No worry.
Me, so me go down and here go kick off his door.
No, Shan, you shouldn't do that. No, man, you shouldn't do that, man. What me tell you off in door?
Because he alright. In text me and me call him and give me attitude. So I want to go to him face to face and say, hey boy, where they pan?
No, man, you shouldn't. Maybe, no, you have
Listen, alright.
little bit toxic for you. But anyways, me not really business about that. I
Yes,
am
not
there.
my business. And where you go?
I there practice wheel, you know, but you know say bike.
Practice the wheelie.
Yeah, man, you know say boy, mad pan bike, man.
So you can ride bike?
Me can't ride bike wheel, yeah, plane me can ride too.
I force me to stay up on bike, bro.
For real?
Yeah, then I more ask if you have them the money.
Well, and the last time I seen upon him, man, believe me, but when I'm from Virgin, them I wait for still. You know, cause him say he want to learn how to ride bike too.
So you teach him?
And I show him again, man.
Oh.
Where I need my teacher too. Alright.
When I'm ready for ride bike, I hope you can teach me too.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Alright.
You don't want to be. Want to be for do a see what more on there. To be a bike. I never know say my bike. I mean want to be alright, but you want me to take rejection.
Yes, girl. That me I tell you. Yeah, man.
Mommy, come.
Alright, my phone's back.
Mash up with the house. Hey, let me tell you this now, you know, mommy. Between me and you know, me just go down at TB and go up store down there, you know.
What happened?
Me go down there, go nearly fight him off.
Georgia. What happened? Him not worth that.
Well, him not worth it, me make him worth it.
No, think you say you're gonna move on.
Me have to move on, but me have to give him slice of cake before me move on. Me have to make it clear. Me tell him in his face. Me not touch him, you know.
Good. Because him not
You
worth
know what
it.
I see TV I do?
Wow.
A strip and call. Like him a pimp.
Cackafat. With him little mosquito bite them. Him have nothing for sure.
And he maga.
You wonder for a long time when you see the mosquito bites. No man, low that. That's a
Mommy, you
crosses.
know what say between me and him. Serious time now. You know, say me glimpse one boy when me think me like, yes, Lord. Me investigate someone, me a watching. Yes, me a watching. Keenly me a watching.
Do your background and make sure say you know who one first, you know.
Then I know it. Me a do some checks. When we get to it, that me make you know.
That's for the old crosses and move on. And that Milan's a good man for my daughter. Anyway, what me did there? Phone her back. Answer the phone. Yes, girl. Now my daughter should come in and I talk to me.
Mommy later. I'll soon come back.
Where you go?
Me a go look one man.
Hold on. I hope so not to be a go trouble him again, you know.
Mommy not got to be hard. To be at least a man stress. Other man.
You know, so there's more things than man, you know.
Mommy, me love man. Just like how you love man. Come here, look man.
Alright, walk good. Be careful. Can't talk to her sometimes.
Take time, please. Take time. You're gonna like you're hungry than nobody else. So, how about the bike? They come in to see the bike. How about the bike? You bring it back. That's what I say.
Park up a back round so car. I tell nobody about you know say it's them I ride. And in a ear a wiggle and as me fi catch the third gear and said so, I hang twist and bend up me yo sis.
You see, me did tell you.
Nah man.
Me did tell
Nah
you.
man.
Leave bike alone because you cannot manage bike, Davi. You don't
I
know.
bike can't manage me.
Yeah, man. Let me tell you what you do. Please, me, I beg you. Just come back to the bike now, please, man. You could have hurt the pussy, broke all your foot. So, like, how the bike can go mash up now. Who have to go fix it?
No, you know mash up, you just twist. To want me go up in a year fast, like your bike can't believe something I deal with so mad. So your bike say, Jesus Christ. And I twist. But
You can't manage the bike.
the bike can't manage me.
And you try to put it on one wheel.
But anyways.
You alright?
Remember still.
Please, me, I beg you. Just take time on the road with the
Sure.
bike, man. Eh?
No. I said, I kind of lick up my hand, so it hurt me. So I like ease off.
Go lie down.
No, I ease off the bike today. So, park up around so. My plan for now, I go out the road, just finish eating my cup soup and just chill out. You see me? I really think I have no plans today. So I just stop me and show you a place instead. So that's why you come out and look to me, you feel me I ride up bike today.
Why? Me look for you.
I want me down go. But I want my cup soup too.
You have money?
Davi! Davi Dan!
Sean,
What, Michaela?
The day here, you know, normally come on me other one.
I know you, my combo. Davi not there.
What have you, Davi, do something to you with the bike?
No, girl. So
Oh.
we can't come look for Davi. We just a check up on him if him alright.
How I do him?
Not do him.
Oh, come see Miss Man and he perfectly fine.
Oh, him not there.
No, you know. He left about a couple minutes ago and say he might go on the road. Probably out of bamboo jeans and get some fresh breeze or something. So,
You alright though?
yeah, me alright, you alright?
Yeah, me alright.
But don't not to say I'm fasting in your business, you know. Which I'm not fasting in your business. The other day I see you march passing here so and yap in your mouth like yeah somebody was in argument. Yes, somebody was in argument.
No, sir, not like that, girl.
Oh.
No, sometimes the brain take the head.
How come you see you talk to yourself like you have some problem?
No, man, sometimes the brain take the head. So, you know, say sometimes the kind of mess up. You know?
Yeah. But David are there though.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm. Me say you know there, man. You know
alright.
there.
Alright.
What she a look for?
I don't know why Davi was staying yard. Every minute me a fear. Davi.
No, Sean.
What?
Okay, bye-bye.
No. Go away, go look for you a while ago. Wait, your sister say anybody there.
No, you know, say, me just get one pack soup and I come out the yard and catch some cool breeze and something.
Oh, so where you buy?
Wow,
Walking no fit you.
Sean, tell you the truth. My partner right there, you know, so yesterday when me and we in the practice and something do, I don't know if I really do want to change or something, but when I lift up here and say me I put in a fourth gear, I turn the bike turn over or something.
You know, just buy bike or else want to.
I don't know, it might be a factory fault or whatever, but not too go and say, but I look up my hand hot still, so just say me I take today and go on normal. So I want to make you ask about it.
Really, just got to check up on you, you know.
Oh, he said I show you the one I show you Friday.
Oh, you can show me too.
For the next day, because I say it kind of park, you know, because, you know, I don't really want to overdo it, because I kind of mash up my hand yesterday in a real life. Just that still. So go on. You just a check for me, so you don't want to check for me.
So me can check for you, Davi.
Yeah, of course, me glad for it. Thank you as much as that, but you say you got me yard, then you come over here. So me I wonder
yeah,
like...
your sister tell me say there a bamboo tree.
Mm.
So, you know what relationship?
Tell you the truth, you know, Sean. You know, so me don't in a relationship though.
So, you like me? You like me?
You like me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me flattered, but honestly, me admire you know, but me don't think me could have started a relationship, you know.
Cause why?
Me
Not no name can.
no, me explain. Just give me 1 minute to explain. Me I come out of one toxic relationship, you know, and my heart not in the right place. My heart not in the right place, you know. Me feel like I just want some time for myself to think about the things in my life I want. Me don't feel like if me deal with somebody, not even you, but if me deal with somebody right now, me don't think me could have give them a love what they deserve. Cause me I go think back and I always I compare them to my ex. So me don't really feel like I best I'm going on.
Okay, Davi Dan. Later. Bye. Bye.
Alright.
Sean. Come
You
here.
know, me not in a mood, you know. Me not in a mood right now, you know.
What do you? Come talk to me. What do you?
You know what I say? Me feel say, sitting do you and you rub off on me. Cause I know me alone. Or sitting do me pa and you rub off on you and come
Hold
to me.
on, stick a pin. Remember, say me, I know your friend, you know. Draw the brakes and rewind. I remember say, your mother, you talk
right now,
to.
me just tired, you know, brother. Me tired. Sitting do me, mommy.
With what?
Me ugly.
Of course not. How you feel ugly when you come from
Mommy,
me?
but you say, of course. Me
Where
shape
this-
bad.
Where this come from?
Cause, me not understand how me can't keep a man.
Man nowadays fool. Them fool no hell. And they make them little head think for them big head. That's why me I tell you when you leave out some man and not everything.
Me make a little.
Hey. A true.
You
You
know,
there
say
from the
after me
certain
go
long.
approach that the one day a while ago.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, say me like him now.
Okay, so what happened?
But him not ready for no relationship.
But maybe him not ready for
Mommy,
true. Give him the benefit
Me no
of
want
the
hear that.
doubt.
Me no want hear that. Me no want hear that.
Maybe it's time for you to grow yourself. Find yourself, Shan.
Love my girl and me girl love me. Me have about 10 girl around and them a mad over me. The girl them just a mad over me. Everywhere me turn girl a mad over me. Girl just a feel. Yo, Davi Dan, yo. Come on, bro. The girl them love off me style, them love off me swag, love off me. Hey, yo, so I go, where bite then?
Back up a yard, man.
Oh God.
Take time, bro. Take time.
How are you, bro?
You back up a yard, man. Where are you?
How are home to you, bro?
Where are you? You good?
Yeah, me good, but you good?
You good, man.
Oh, make sure that, yo, you didn't even call me from here back, bro.
Dog. You on the truth, dog. See me right now.
I dear.
Let me tell you the truth.
Give me there.
Let me tell you what going on that. Yo, you know what I say? I want kind of bike. I want 150 or 250.
250.
Killer. Me don't know if I throw 150 and 2 bills me used to that. Me say, me a practice ride the bike yesterday. Bike just get up in the air with me and start fly. Me I say, yo. And the bike,
You
God.
are playing, you know?
Killer. Me say me in a year, dog, I try to reach a ground. When the bike drop in the ground, me see hang go twist and bend up my hand. Killer, yo, me say, oh my God, hope me God, yeah. Ball, real tears. Right now, me not ride no bike today, no.
Davi, I don't mash up my
Mash
bike.
up what kind of bike? I mash up myself. I wish I did the bike mash up.
What do me bike?
The bike can't go just it bend down, but you just want to screw and bend up back. You good dog, I'm from mash up your bike.
So I saw you ride me woman hard, bro. Till I'll bend on the ears, bro.
You know what bend down for your man, so
Bro,
you know what that mean? They're tougher rider than you. Touch it. What that mean, man. But you bike good still, it's just that through me at hard. I say me not to work out it today.
Davi, you know, so me I take that bike there from him.
No, bro.
Me know I'm not there, bro.
Bro,
And you know, so me sacrifice you, bro.
Bro, all you buy for do me nothing. Now, if anything, I'm for do your bike something. But see, I 304,000 riding, you know that. You don't know that?
Davi, I want you to take man thing for joke. Bro, I want even one picture, I want to see my bike.
Yo, when I go up a yard, I say no. When I go up a yard. It good if
You know, right off my bike, you know. Look on you. Look on you. Look all on your knee there, so.
But you know, see, when me a crawl on my knee, them I wash the floor down. You see, I rub on my knee. But I can't do me this. I don't care, bro. It's normal, man. But we ask how me not call you for a give me bike. Now you see, you give me that. I used to pop up myself.
You should have called me, bro. Check. You're not a real friend, you know, bro.
Bro, me a realest friend I have, dog. Me are the realest friend I have in a real life. But you're right still. Yo, respect again people like that. I just put my foot down into the cars. Dog, that bike there. Fast!
Bro, bike parts there, you know.
You know,
I'm
man.
trying to mash up more. And again, give me bike for taking,
Watch
you know,
out, you know what there too? Life parts. Cause they no sell. So me nah, bro, nothing nah go on, man. The bike good still, dog, as we say. So yeah, deal with.
every day I straight because, you know.
Boy, of course, me say me I come get some breeze and go shot, dog. But now weird interaction. Dog, you ever tell one girl if I like you and you reject them?
Reject.
Yeah. Like the girl come to you and tell us say you like her and you just reject him.
Girl call me already, I'm reject them. Alright, that's what you mean.
So one girl, me and him, you don't know that, me and him just cool like that, but like you see me with the bike yesterday and today and tell me say you like me, but I don't know if I use him or I use me for eat things them down. Cause I tell him she after me, but I tell him some of the two depend on relationships anyway still.
A nice girl.
Bro, a nice girl dog,
How
but
she look?
he nice dog.
How she look?
Brown skin, body big, soft. Smart. But a nice girl dog. It's just that
You don't know what she name.
I don't want to get into that. Your name not even matter.
Alright, true.
But what me I say? Because you know, look me, I'm telling him no. It's like he knows vexed dog and walk with. So me I wonder if that's the man. Because I don't really know if I approach the situation. Like if I go to him or tell him.
Let me tell you this now. What for my base of point. Me is a man, me no reject woman. Once I'm not on that age, me no reject. I want thing me reject and a fat woman. Cause you see, me is a man, you know, me is a man love put my woman in palm backwards, you know, bro. And you see woman now, fat woman and thick as bro. When them shit them not clean good. So me can't manage that sent around her back.
Can't relate to that still. I want to face the boy now, but I want to face the boy dog. Alright,
Yeah, big up yourself.
mm.
Yo, you know, so me feel safe. Mash that we mash up the bike. That all the angle for bend down. You know, so right thing right after right there. But anyway, back to your. Me love my woman and my woman.
Walk up. Say I walk like so nice. Walk up. Walk up. Now me walk around on the road and me ask you to talk to you about when me go on the road. Walk up, man.
Wow.
So the little time to be letting you in bike. I see a girl come in your yard.
Where are you now?
My yard, we yard.
Where are you?
Mr. Sean, come on, Davi? Davi? I say, Sean, what you doing here? I come to check for me, say if you're alright. She said she come to check for you. So, actually, I bet me check for me yard.
No, brother, I'm here, man. What do you mean, throw me a bike?
Sean, no normally come on my yard.
Yeah, but Kayla, you know, girls ain't love me, actually. Not because of bike. Well, no, I don't know, like that. I just check him and check for me.
You're sick? You have diabetes? You have asthma?
Show me sweet.
Yeah.
Show me make girls lose their breath.
You feel like a bit hot, but you're not that sick.
No,
You should not go check for you.
burning up, of course not.
This is what I said, Davi. You know, too like when people come at the other. Me, you live there, so, but not too like when people come there. Understand? And Sean just pop up out of the blue. Sean, no, man, come at me yard. But you reach at me yard, I come look for you. So you're not in that business. You're not, they do. Not talk.
Kayla, I'm telling you the truth.
Mm.
I tell nobody, you know.
No, me not tell anybody. I will never tell anybody.
You know what I'm saying? In real life, in page, me I show me one priest and you like me or something, but
You say yes.
no charge. Me no in a right mindset for it deal with a woman and all. I feel like say if I deal with him, me not gonna treat him how he's supposed to be treated. Cause dog, in a real life, she's a good girl, you know. For how me notice him, from he live up there so all these years, all him do a pass and some man. And me never really hear me no man jam like it. Me and no man, you know, or me and no ex-man, so me can't tell nothing about him and his man life, but me never really know drama or hear nothing about him. But me tell him say, me not really depend on that. And it's like me just walk away.
How you say it?
He said like, me said like what me I tell her. I me just
How
see
you
walk.
say it?
Me
No,
just-
man. I sure say how you say it to me, calm and how you say it to her.
Yeah, but me just see you walk away.
Maybe she feel away, man, you know.
Feel
You
away
see,
for
certain woman cannot take rejection.
Feel away for
You
what?
need to apologize.
Feel away for what?
You turn her down, she approach you, you tell her no. She might feel some type of way right now, she could all a ball. Oh God. Go and go check on her, man. You there bag your fingernail clip.
I know that. Yeah. Yo, tell her. If anything tomorrow, me link him. Give him some time.
Where you go?
I go over me yard. Wanna run off the bike tomorrow?
Should be not the plate them run a walk for me. Me I go on the road and come back.
Oh.
Wash up the plate them, me I go shop and come back. Wash up the plate them, man. You go and you can't wash up the plate.
And if this one never text me, I can't hear from him yet.
Hello.
Hello?
Good morning. Shandair.
Yes, who?
Davi, you can tell her someone that would like to speak with her, please.
Oh, yes, man. Come in. Come in. She's on the back. We'll call her for you.
Alright.
I'm glad you come round. Take a seat. How quick we're you before we call Shan. You know, some of my daughter like you.
Yeah, me kind of have an idea, man.
Why? She's a good girl, you know. She's a good girl.
Me kind of know, you know. I don't remember me live right down there, so. Me always pass and say evening and so.
Mm-hmm.
I know that, man, but me just not think me in the right mindset and how to deal with nobody. So, me don't know.
Alright, me can't stop your feelings and me can't force you to love her. But you see, when you tell her, she kind of sensitive because she's been hurt many times before. So tell her nice, here, no break her heart and rough her up.
Awesome, I have no intention like that.
But I don't know how she got to take it still. Shan! As a matter of fact, come in. Let me.
Alright.
Remember, be gentle with her, you know.
Yeah, of course.
Alright.
Come.
Hi. Your mother said I could have come in.
Oh yeah, come in.
So, Morgan. You know, say I come over and some more I want to talk to you.
Boa.
I don't know about everything I want me yesterday, man.
Oh, yesterday good man, that good one. Just can't bother no.
No, low that man. Me really want to talk to you for sure. Me talk to, and I spread no business or nothing, but me talk to one or a few people and me get the idea so me might let you down look a bit too harshly. Let me explain to you, Shannon. The past relationship with me, you know, the love girl and me give her everything. Me give her my heart, my soul, everything me own, and he cheat on me. That left me up, that freaked me up mentally. Even when I thought about it, because it still bring back some memories, and the worst part, I never start love her, so me not really sure what I want in my life right now. And I say me not like it, and I say me not find it interesting, or not like that, but it just so messed up, me not in a right state of mind now, and me don't want to go say, yo, how we starting, and me can't treat you like you're supposed to be treated. That's my biggest concern. So if you feel like someone let you down too harshly, or like me just...
I'm just tired.
Are you tired of Shan?
Enough things.
Shan, like what? Just talk to me.
Stop touch me.
Just talk.
Stop touch me.
Shan, just talk to me. Shan, just talk to me.
Stop touch me.
Shan, just talk.
Just go on, brother. Come out and go on.
Shan, me no mean. Shan, me no mean nothing.
Stop touch me.
Shan, oh God, baby, me hear you in your ball. Awa, what do you? Baby, talk to me is what? Come, talk to mommy. What do you? Me hear you a ball.
Mommy, I just can't, but I'm weak, tired.
Oh God, we did ask him to break it to you gentle. You have to understand, baby. I'm not ready for a relationship
Mommy,
yet.
I don't talk about that thing in here. Hold me down and I do and I tell you if you stop me not lie.
Hold on, whoa. What you say what?
In here, hold me down and come like so 3 years. I come in, stop.
A joke. That's why you rush past me, so?
Mommy.
Baby, oh God, anything. What happened?
Just like how me tell you, mommy, come in there and talk and he move and that and he do something else.
Actually, when there? When in gone?
Him gone, mommy.
Come, let's take you straight to station. Come, and this can't work. Come, baby. My daughter.
Station right now, mommy. You know, see, go to the boy and go ask him what him do or you go find him.
So hold on. Me want your permission first. So you don't want to deal with this with the law.
No.
You want me deal with this?
Yes.
Me I go find the dirty. Touch my picnic. Touch for me picnic and do what? Alright, baby. Alright. Hush. It now go so here. Oh God, baby. It now go so. Me I go find him. And me I go round up everybody for him. Hold on. Let me make a phone call. Now go so.
But you know what?
Yes, sir. Watch me and the dirty boy. Mr. Davi, you.
Hello.
Who you? You're not Davi. When there? Me hear Saya saying live.
Hello.
In there?
Me just too long wake up and out to wash up some plate.
Me no business with that. The dirty boy in there.
Who you Miss
Davi, come out.
Davi is not here.
When there?
What is the problem?
What is the problem?
You come in and bang down mid woman. Why problem, man?
Who him to you?
I'm a brother.
Well, you tell your dirty brother not touch my picnic. Your brother come in my house, come touch up my picnic.
What you talking about?
I put advance to my daughter. Eh? My daughter don't want your brother. Tell your brother can't keep away from a picnic.
You can't take time and talk.
Take time and talk, what?
Me even process what you say. What you say my brother do?
Your brother come in my yard and touch up my daughter and give her unwanted in molest me picnic.
You're too damn liar.
Who you call liar, little girl?
Hello? Are you coming in my yard, you know?
Yes, you look, you say not there.
Are you me
Well, tell me where in there. Tell me where in there.
Me don't know where in
You also the whole family, you a liar then.
Come on, tell me yard, then
Come on, Tawa. Come on, Tawa.
But my brother
You tell your dirty, stinking brother, say, me see him and a that. Touch who for picnic?
My brother would never touch your daughter. My brother don't want that. My brother do it that way. And
him don't want that. Him hold her down, though. Him hold her down, though.
Don't tell lie, don't hold on nobody.
You better.
Put me on.
How you really are, though? I look for something like me. You look, and my daughter saving me now. And my daughter saving me now. Cause straight to station, we did I go.
See, no go on a station that have to do with me. My brother innocent. Come out of me yard.
Dear you, dear me. Watch this spit. Dear you, dear me. Sefe. Okay. Okay. Planning funeral, my daughter. Planning funeral.
Plan your daughter.
Dead yard this year. Dead yard this year. Touch for me picnic. It now go so.
Hey, to go to you. Hey, my cross is this, your man. You say, look up, it's this. You see, me want him. All right.
Sure. Think you take a bus up, eh? You think you can molest people picnic? Straight to station. Think you can go so, Mr. Davi, think. Say you go.
Hello. Who is there a while ago?
You know him? The one dirty Davi him. Come on my yard, eh? Come hold on my picnic and take it from her.
You run bike taxi?
He the ugly one that plot up him here like any girl. Hold on my daughter, you can't believe it? Him hold on my daughter and take it.
Say, that boy, why?
I may go talk to, go try
Go
talk.
on a station or report him, is here?
Straight that's where I go.
I said, are you ready then?
The dirty boy come all nice, you know, that's a Brenancy, you know. Him come on my house all nice and polite. I mean invite him in. If we did ever know him is a dirty criminal.
Come on, know that you there do no fool in this year.
Eh? When he come in my yard, come to foolishness, another wrong yard in come to. Wrong picnic. So here what? If you see him, tell him to keep out of my way because anyhow me see that before the police hold him. Hey!
I said that you like him now release no help. Jesus Christ. Yo, Timmy. Yo, Timmy. I want them years better come here, you.
Power no better.
So I have to go up on the road. I hear me just hear something and I say I go and tell him.
Power.
You don't know say the boy Davi a grown on your bike and hold down girl picnic.
I lie I tell. My friend David.
Rasta lady me see her walk past and say Davi Dan him a go to station for him and lock him up. You better you take your bike from him, you.
Davi nah do that.
Foolish man do.
Davi nah do that.
You nah do that. Now them a time you expect the unexpected for any man. You hear me I tell you?
So that
I
Davi
know like
really-
him now have no girl.
That Davi really had a better on my bike.
No more than spending money on the girl and the girl don't want to give him and you just take it. Take your bike from him. Is
No, you sure said this a surety.
real thing, me don't wipe up sitting off for my bike, you.
Alright, me I take my bike from him.
Take your bike from him,
Respect,
brother.
you hear?
Yeah, bro.
Respect.
Respect. Up on the road, I see what I can go.
Alright.
Remember, I'm saying, me just here, you know. Just the man say, man, go down to the station and anyhow, you see him before the police lock him up at trouble.
How we can't make police lock him up and he have my bike?
Take your
I'm take my
bike
bike
from
from
him,
him
bro.
now. Where Davi the pan? Leave our car, I'm walking.
Oh,
You don't feel like I have nothing you want to tell me.
no. I'm not sure what I wait for me.
No worry about that. Nothing happen. Do you feel like you want to tell me?
No.
Yeah, sure, you know, me and sister can talk to me, you know. If anything happen, you can come to me and talk to me, you know. Something happen?
What for happen?
Okay. Since you play dumb. What happened up at Shanyard?
What for happen fashion yard? I don't go up there and tell him something I don't want him.
And that's all.
What else happen?
Shan Black Mama. Miss Dopey Conqueror come down here. I wake up and I was running back washing up some plates. Me hear somebody a bang pen. See, you know, say front door can open up because we don't have no key for the front door. It last and the back door we have to go through, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me hear somebody a bang down the door, Me come around, I shine me. So I say, let me come and shut up. You is not Davi. I come here to Davi. So I say, what is the problem? She did it on top of her vise. Lord, I want one piece of pasta in her yard, you know. She come up on top of her Lord mouth. David assault my daughter.
What?
But David touched my daughter.
What?
I give my daughter most unmothered. I don't know if I something doing there saying my talk, but the unmothered place I don't understand.
What?
But why you go for the people in yard? Go to shut the people in daughter.
Who go out for you got to touch up nobody data?
Hello?
Charge, matter of fact, you tell myself to go up there, go talk to him. I go up there and me just talk to him and say, yo, and one say,
So-
me no want
so
you.
hello?
Matter of fact, I did the said mother say in her room. If I go in her room, when me I got people
When you reach in her room, I do. You can simply tell her out her door. I tell him mother to tell her.
the mother
sorry.
the mother call me in the room.
Well, it's stinking in the area.
so that's why people them a look for me.
Yes. The only reason why mommy don't know is because mommy they are foreign. You know?
No, my youth. No,
They say you're
me-
a griper. And he look very bad. He look very, very bad. Insipid.
No, brother, me know nothing like that. How that
Well,
come about?
What I mean how that come about? Me there in my yard. I'm finna know how that come about. Me there road with you. Me dey come back here up there.
I mean, no do not say you believe me do that.
No, me not been say do it. No, I don't be. Listen, yeah, my brother, you know. But me I tell you the truth. I don't believe say you do it, you know, because I don't see them, not see like them the type of person, you know. That's why I defend you and lady this still one, you know. But like she want to lick me in my face and show me can't fight. Me never bother lick her
No, brother,
down.
me know nothing like that.
But-
Me a come up in the lane and me a
No
hear a
worry.
couple of my friends
Oh,
them and they
God.
don't answer me, you know.
Me feel a pain, man. Listen to me. Me feel like if you just pack your bag and move out of the area for your way because it look very bad. 'Cause you see all that now?
If me move out of here, it look like me do that. You're mad man, me have to clear my name. Nothing can go say you're mad man.
Why you go clear your name?
You're mad man.
daughter sister-
Me go up there, go back sit
Hello,
down
go
now.
on the yard.
Me nah-
Can you go up there and then say you do this and you do that? No, you want to go back up. This is you don't have no sense.
So I'm for do then.
Go on the yard. What you going to do? When whatever me tell her mother say if you got police station, when her mother got police station, they must swab out under her mother, underneath her, and then go come for one sample DNA to see if it did good. If it never good, then hand up to work.
Yo, you know what they do to people in a jail, do they something there?
Oh, if you know me not got jail.
I tell my mama to send me a jail. What do you mean you tell your mother to send me a jail, dog? What kind of
His
style?
mother say I got stitch and me say go on. You do it, you do it. Oh, you do it. You not have to fret then, come on. If you never do nothing, you not have to fret. DNA will do, and not DNA. Whatever is something you're going to use on it. You ever watch Law and Order?
And now we can't believe, say, Davi turn grapper man. We can't believe Craven here. Say Davi a hold on people, girl pick me. Up in yard, me a go, you know. You answer me. You believe that, not true? Or you not believe? Leave her talk to me. Oh, serious. You, Mr. Davi. Davi.
Yo.
You're smart. You know I said you're smart. You are reader man.
What?
You can't read player. How you know some of them come for your bike if you put it there so?
I mean say I come for your bike.
David, you really big ton of grapper man.
Why you
You
dog, you know
really
say
walk ride run for my bike and I hold on people, girl.
I wanna get that from dog, you know say you wanna other some of them come to me. Wanna get that from brother.
About 50 somebody passed me down the road while I'm gonna tell me say the hold on people, girl pick me, bro. You can't let them
where that
ride my
come
bike.
from, brother?
Yeah, make everybody feel like
Tibi,
Bro.
Tibi, you feel like somebody doing something there?
Bro, show me your friend, me tell her who you are. Give me my bike key.
Tibi,
Give me my bike key.
Tibi.
Show me your friend, me tell her who you are.
Tibi, hold on now. Brother, how much years you know me? How much girl me got you? How much girl me give you? How you ever hear none of them call me name pan in sitting there? One room I grow now dog and a sound be with me.
But that tell me say if you hold on there alone, you know, put me the only thing more hold on pan my bike key. Davi, give me my bike key. Cause me not make people feel like say me I said thing, bro. You can't
So
do that,
means
bro.
say you this me for a room then. So I said some here, so if me here say you want to look up, you want them man they will touch up man. If you just believe that and cut you off.
But 50 somebody can't tell me. And if I want somebody come to me and tell me, you know, probably won't believe in about 50 somebody, bro. That connect. Boom bang connect. Give me my bike key.
Dog, you know.
Can't par with that, bro. As fan today.
Yeah, you know.
See me or not see me.
No.
When I see me on the left, I take you right. When I
Dog.
see me in the middle, I take you top.
I know
When
I'm
I
a friend from now on dog. I hold on, nobody not even come to me and say, oh, what happened? You just come to me and say, oh, give back your bike, which your bike and any problem in a dog. But you know what I mean, even I chat. Take the things and go on, brother.
Me no know. Me no want to know what happened. No want to know what happened. Me no want to know what happened. Boy, all grapper.
You're up and go on my yacht.
How long me get to no money to fix the furniture? No, we can.
how much you plan? You think me I give somebody too much money to do land and then I get it done?
I'll stay over there, man. Again.
Hmm?
Straight over
Over
there.
there.
Oh, yeah, David, I can't clean up, though.
You don't know that youth here.
Look at
One chips with grape.
that.
Oh, you don't know him?
Yeah, our day me here say man do that, you know. A whole long people girl pick me, you know.
What a dirty boy.
But you
That-
know say it's there at them man the cause he might give them money and then when a front time they not give him front.
No, listen. You see, if
And
I,
this is true for him, it's a little bit. And I grew up in a release it aisle.
No,
No,
I'm
but
teach you
so
something.
you get to him brain.
no,
Them
listen.
something that get to your
Teach you
brain.
something. You see, if a woman I take your money and I promise every minute, you don't need to insert your penis in them. You just get a bottle of pepper
No,
and
every
drown in the hole.
And not every man thinks so. You understand?
You're drowning
Some
in
man
the hole.
want there, some man want to spend and then to receive back
No,
something.
no. If your own woman, you know. You see, if you have your own woman and then jump and in the
Alright,
bedroom.
how long you can go without front?
How long? It depends. All a year.
Up a Sunday right, man. Your brain not function, right?
Listen me. You see a man like that.
But
A man like that, he hang by him balls.
foolish boy go do, man. If you tie him up in a handsness, if you go around and hold on people girl pick me. And like I want different girl that too. Cause it be when you wanna pass and Rasta woman, you know, that woman they come like from Western she come from.
Anyway, how long she too?
You know see? From YouTube.
Oh. The backside.
You don't know what I'm telling you, you
You- You see man like them, you know. A man like them, man can get pum pum.
Anytime them hold him, you know. And him go to prison and he say that him don't find a prison.
So them boy they go and back him up.
Drop so telling him.
You know, if he drop his up. You ever hear there's a martial art back shot?
I appeared in my
Okay.
bathroom and I drop soap money today.
Oh.
Imagine if I go to prison.
You drop soap in the bathroom.
So my time he just drop out of here.
And you bend down and take up it.
No, it's like me go so.
Oh,
And
cause
scoop
me I
and
tell you,
just take it up.
me I tell you, I know only in a flesh, then the man there, you know.
No, me just stoop so.
Oh, cause the
And take-
spirit there.
Sometimes me slip so me just catch you up.
If my so jumping at the bathroom, me call no one to take it up. Me use a new one.
So you put around so one bar.
You man, me have get up a bar, but them boy they can't come around here, you know.
No man, no grape a boy around us.
Them boy they can't come here. All
Yeah, come around.
so what, his sister no shame?
I don't know.
His sister for shame, man.
My run out India one of my boy bike. I don't even take it from him I know. I run taxi.
Oh, cause his sister for shame, you know, cause
I know it's a long time the boy have an intention.
I don't know that long time. I don't report it.
Normally, I touch off a girl when he run by. I give him to
No.
slap. And
Temperature.
without the woman in permission.
Temperature that
From
America.
then time, they
Tell
can
him
say,
to go
boy,
America,
I
go
was
try that and see how much years he can get behind bar.
no, girls here now. And then may have a link still, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello?
Wagwan.
You there?
You know, see the news.
Which news?
With your brother are great people.
So they really call me, but you think me know that? I did not grip nobody. It's a
Hey.
misunderstanding.
Yeah, go and pick up him. Go and pick up him until he hold you.
Your brother told me that for what me done.
Huh? Then if him are great people, what about him one flesh and blood? He will hold them
My
down
brother
too.
not grip nobody. You did see him I grip somebody? Did you see him?
The news see him though. The news see him. Everybody see him.
Listen to me like a piper fish boy. And you really call me phone, Papa Bye.
Alright, no
You
worry.
don't call me from when I know you say come for the tell me about my brother.
Bonita or a barracuda where you want name. I saw some fish. Any one of them you want name.
Eh.
Remember me did warn you. Anything a man do a road, he can do it inside.
Come on for my phone.
How that?
No, nobody.
So, all them say about your brother and great man.
No
So,
man,
how
no
that?
pay that no man,
No,
man.
who that?
No man, no Papa. You know Papa is already. Papa love chatting us.
So, Papa hear that.
Yeah man, Papa. Stop worry about them the same thing. The Papa don't really have much sense.
Kill him, I got
Listen
shot
to
this
you.
morning and you want to say, nah, sell me, you know.
Oh,
Yo,
God.
you can't move.
No worry. Ah, Papa, the next one, you know, man. I shall block him.
See, them know say boy Davi a rapist. Them all a post him up. No film picture this This a good thing. Me take my bike from him. Me talk about me. I listen to people and I do this and I do that. Bro, see there, bro. 50 somebody can come to me and I tell lie upon him and see me see proof. You know, me there in the pan TikTok post up. Oh, brother. Glad me take my bike from him. I swear you out.
Baby. Morning, how you feel?
I feel alright, mommy.
It's a few days now since the ordeal.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God. I'm sorry you got through this, you know. I don't know what them your police are deal with. Them say them need an extra week of investigation before them can hold him. I don't know why them not hold him. Them me tell them where him live. You give your statement and everything. I don't know what them a play with. Baby girl, justice will be done.
Yes, mom.
Justice have to get done. Come here, tell you here and now, you know. In Naga, so you know. If the police not do nothing, something I gotta get done.
Yes, mom.
Alright. It's still a hatchy down there, sir.
Yeah, but me I go go find your brother and come back. I need
Alright.
something and come back.
Alright, be careful here.
Yeah, mom.
If you see him, you just cross over the road. You allow him to me. Alright, baby. Oh God, why you have to make this thing happen to my baby, Lord? Help her. Help her, Lord. Give her the strength. Yeah, manage.
Father God, the days faster now and nothing seems to get better. If anything, my life seems to get worse. But I do nothing. I live good, and I this field, I don't know what I do for reach and all of this, but right now I don't know. I just don't know what to do anymore.
Abby, I have to run that stuff. There's nothing around here.
You know, so I just there, I'm there, I do a chat to myself.
Why you talk to yourself?
Yeah, there, I see for any incident. My life just make one downhill turn. All who did rate me again. All of my friends them who made checks are real. Now them not even asking my side of the story. Bro, I can't even walk go down the road and people may even know I look for my way and I make whisper. So my time I hear them like they must see grape instead. And he's sitting there. And dog, police on here lock me up too. I just call me a liar and I bail out myself.
That's what you said, Abby. You see, in life, you're not going to know who are your friend until you're in a big black hole. You're in a pit. So you see, if whoever you call a friend was never your friend, because if you're your friend, them, they would have believed you did not do it, okay? And you can't do pay that no mind. You say your name, do it, you never do it. Don't worry about that.
Killer, you don't understand. I lose my work. I lose my friend them. I lose my reputation. Brother, right now, to how things look, me just feel like I want to rope on this achieve more while. You don't even understand the stress on me I got through.
You don't understand?
You even understand, brother.
You don't have to think about how you don't rope on. Me ask a question. You have to, every time you talk about your friend them, are you never do bad?
I chat about me and when I lose my reputation.
I'm buying something that shop make you feel better. Come on. Come on.
Killer,
You see I will up my neck too long.
Killer.
Come on, the flat. Me will up my neck too much. You neck hurt me. I'm not neck long.
Like, wait.
Listen to what me I say. Yeah, my brother, I'm love you so much. Don't watch what the crowd I say. People go and forever talk. That's all ain't good for. You do good, they go and talk. You do bad, they still a go talk. So don't pay them no mind. I say to yourself, and nothing you can't take your pressure now. Nobody go hang yourself. Pack a bag and go with your family member. Them go send catching her. Or go somewhere go take a breeze out. You know if you think the negative stuff, them and think positive. You understand? Yeah, you know me love. Give me a hug, man, and tap. Cheer up yourself, man. Oh, God. You know me love you. Just see, smile, you can't smile. Cheer up yourself, man, and tap. Worry about your friend. Tibi was never a real friend from day when I made it see it.
Me is business about Tibi. I am by him. I know that me not talk about.
Business about the bike. You miss the bike, not true.
I miss my reputation. I miss going down a road and people not steer upon me.
People always want to say you're a star, they go and steer upon you.
Yeah, but it's different now.
And you are think too much about it. Don't think too much about it, man. Stop think about it.
Let me try.
Yes, now go find and go buy you something. You hear?
Alright.
Go on.
Me there something, thanks.
Why I feel like take the shot away to the God no. I feel so drained.
Hello, madam. Long time you want to see you, you know. Long time you want to see you. Because you're so wicked and bad. Answer my man, you might not work. When you didn't tell lie upon me, brother,
Hold on there.
you might not work.
You see how long?
When you dopey conqueror mama, come in me yard with that loud mouth. You don't know if you chat. Chat like your mama that chat, man.
I'm a mama come there never me. And first and foremost.
So you tell lie upon brother
First
Sean.
off-
A long time you want
first-
box it on, you know.
First and foremost, me not have a mama. So if you have one, you make me know have a mother.
And you think we call it something we call it for mother.
You say you
That
don't
me a
want
chat.
to be what now?
Yes. But I really want to ask you, you know. Well, I'm set up my clothes good. I said properly when me ask you. Let me ask you a question. When you tell me the truth, I got love. Don't tell me no lie. Can nobody know that you know just me and you talking. Me and you are no friend, but a long time I know you. And me I live near to each other. A long time I know you. But you know what I really want accusation. So my brother did really touch you. like he did really actually assault your body. Your mother come to me and go to how he rape you. Is that true? Cause you know, me who don't want done in my yard with somebody who capable of doing it. Cause me a young lady, you know. And if I true, me don't understand where you go through. Me don't feel where you go through. You understand? So tell me if I true, man. You do it?
Kayla.
Yes.
You see the deer?
Right,
My brother
the deer.
come over my yard. He approached my mother first. I was in my room. I don't know the conversation that him and my mother had. He come in my room and he said, my mother said, come in. Cool. We sit down there talk and he hold on palm me like me did I cry and then I try to calm me down. And then he put his hand on me and tell him, say, don't touch me. And then I open the door and tell him for go and say him never did do nothing to me. Him never did touch me like how my mother say him touch me. I should run with it and me work with it because at one point the brother hurt me so I never did care about him feelings. He never come out of my mouth say him grape me.
Well on. What's the process why you ask Sean? So you tell me say my brother never grape you. He never do nothing to you.
Him never grape me, but him touch me like so. I say, sit down, Sean, where you are?
So,
What alone him do?
and this a car grape.
You did hear me say your brother grape me, girl?
So wait till your mother say. Explain how your mother get
Me
to the
tell my mother say him touch me. This is touch. Touch.
So you don't have more like how you chat.
Me never like your brother.
Like a
Me never
cross
like-
market all on man
Me
there.
never like your brother, so anything my mother want fix and text, she run with it, she run
Me
with
understand
it.
why your problem, you know. Two my brother never want stab it like a you. 20-foot girl,
Girl, please.
chicken foot head girl in a yellow
Girl.
donut wig. Two my brother never want you go tell life of my brother.
Girl, you know
Piper
your,
fish mouth girl.
you know your brother no make one.
Bullbuck. You don't even make half. You don't even make half. Yeah, your mother ugly alike. Nobody don't want to know. You don't tell my brother to use ya. Miss tell me brother.
How is
You
this
see
one?
little monkey. I don't know this the girl. You see little dirty girl, shall me diss him. I want to trick him to get a confession. I get a record with her confess. Say never grape her. I never once did doubt you. But I go, yes,
For real?
yes. I they can't go, but they go diss you dirty mama.
Okay, like, you believe me now, so I never do it.
Me never did doubt you. But you say like me did doubt you. Me never did doubt you. Then me going to go diss him. I'll show you the right out here thing and things. See it there. Me record the girl. And they can't go up there and go diss him mama.
There might be some peace can finally come in my life. Thank you, Kayla. Thank you.
Oh God. I hope she'll come back soon, man. Worried about her.
Miss Froggy, sure. Must I come from my brother?
Hey,
Yeah.
girl. No come in my yard. Me no
Me
want
make-
no rapist family in my yard.
Hello. Me have evidence that like you look so called monkey gorilla face.
Who you call monkey girl?
Calm down.
Me no want you in my yard.
This advice note here now. I quote me and you are going to come and want some money after you. You listen to this.
Which court?
Yes. So that's where it did go. I saw everything did go. And you lab off your mouth that I'm in yard. And then you are going the most almighty. We are going like, yeah. Oh. Quote me again.
Shan really do that?
No, Shan never do it. How you do it?
No, you have to understand.
Understand what?
Shan tell me say your brother hold her down and take it.
So you did see when Shan when my brother do that? Shan is insecure about her little gorilla self.
Can't believe Shan really got to light on the boy like that.
And you know it too.
Me sorry.
But guess what? Me don't want to sorry. You go apologize to my brother. You apologize to my brother. Don't apologize to me. And the next thing to make a know for now, you know. Even if my brother no one care about court, you know me. Care about court go sue you.
Carry go court for what? Carry go court for what?
Because if you tell such a big lie for my brother.
Me not tell no lie.
So come here.
No.
And you come here, come on. Bang down me place.
Alright. You have to understand, you know, Shanna my baby, she's my daughter. You are not mother yet, so you don't understand
Look at
fully.
Jingaloo there.
Hi, mind yourself.
Hi, man, yourself.
Shan tell me say the boy pull her and take her and abuse her. So, me have to defend the
One
child.
question. A long time they in the house?
No.
Okay, so when find time for do that, who do them mess up the
Hi, my girl. True, you's a little girl. You don't know life yet.
Oh.
You know, say some man take 1 minute. So maybe
Hello.
your brother could have been
Let me tell you
30
something now.
seconds.
Me
Me don't
go under-
apologize already.
Apologize to my brother when you need your apology. We like somebody want look apology. Me don't apology, but I can't left right to say I'm man, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you and your daughter are just too jing bang.
Shan really do that to me? No, sir. Me I go phone her. No, sir. Shan really do this to me and shame me?
See, I'm gonna this pepper is not y'all. Dirty woman. You can't go court, you know. I can't go court.
Sis, make it on, man.
You come. No, if you make them pay if slander your name, so. And your reputation. Don't worry, everything will alright.
Everything good.
Vice Neil. Shan, this is a second message me I leave you. As soon as you get this message, oh, you know. How you know so? How you know so?
Mommy, no bother with the excitement. What happened now?
No matter with the excitement, get your little skinny self inside ya.
Mira.
Tell me something. The boy really grape you?
Hey, tapping eyes.
I hope for hand you up to
Hold it right there, so hold it. Mommy, me never tell us that the boy grape me. Tell us that the boy touch me. I run with it. Some run with it. Run with it.
Lord God, what is this?
Never tell us that the boy
Little
grape me.
girl, how you love trouble so? Hey? Go put the boy in a problem. You're too wicked, man. You're too wicked. You mess up the young boy life with your lies. Hey? Now me have to go down a station and pull back the report. Shan, you too wicked, man. What you do not right. Jaja, let me shoes there. Davi?
Hello?
Oh. Hi.
Hello.
Good evening. I just want to come and talk to you. I want to come and apologize to you. Davi, you get to understand, say Shan make up the whole thing. I couldn't believe that. I never believed that I'm a daughter. So, I just run with it because she tell me, say, I come in and see her a ball, you know, a ball for her belly. And she tell me, say, you hold her down and take it. If you was with her child, what you would have done? Me not must believe her. Come in a notion for lie like that.
Miss, I'm not upset with you for believe your child, you know. I'm not upset with you for try defend your child, but if so what happened to me, you can't rub out an apology, you can't fix it. Me accept your apology. I'm really grateful for you. I'm grateful that the truth come out now. I hope say everybody can know the truth. But here you know, just because the truth come out, you know, stop what happened already. You know, reverse the damages. Because here I go now, I lose friends, I lose revenue, I lose possible businesses, I lose the amount of things I lose the ability to just walk, go down the road and hold my head straight. Because even though the truth come out now, some people still not gonna believe it. Some people go there if you say I pay no have to take up something. If you just make up something and I just saw you go. Because here I go now, I not gonna ever feel safe in my community again. I not ever feel like how everything did feel. And as I say, I not blame me for take up for your daughter, but what happened can't rub out for me.
Me tell everybody, you know, me go tell everybody. Me try for undo it, my boy. Me try for undo it because me go tell everybody and me never know so Shan would do this.
Just tell her everything good. We just hold my L. If you not see me, I just say go. I mean, me know anything what happen to me now, I just say go. Anything what happen already, can't rub out. Tell her already.
No,
so,
you...
No man, you can't rub out, man. I lose my work. I did have one bike when I say alright, I learn to do it. I did, when I taxi me, say I run out of time. You know what happen? If me say me I go look passenger now, they must say, boy, now you me know say, now you I great for man, taxi man. They feel say I could do me I do the same thing. So you know, as me say, whole heap of things today where affect me right now. Me no feel good about, and that now go ever change. some things in the future when that even start affect me, it soon affect me. Accept your apology. I'm really grateful say truth come out and you know something never do that to your daughter. But I know everybody are gonna know. So just speak up yourself. Everything good.
I'm sorry. Sean, look what you caused.
Alright, you have made it to the end of the movie. I hope you like it. People, this movie is a lesson. Sometimes all it take a one like for ruin a person's life. And we don't showcase that. So even though the truth come out, you know say some people still not accept the truth and it still damage the person's reputation. So people just be mindful of what we say in our life and try to get the facts straight before we do certain things, right? Yeah. Get the facts straight before we judge. But anyways, will it more movie there at work? Will it more movie there in our works? Will it more movie there previously we might be on our watch? So just speak up on yourself. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, comment your favorite part and just have a wonderful day. Alright, oh by the way, check the description. If you feel generous or want to get into contact with Davi Dan, all that stuff go in the description as usual. So yeah, big up on yourself.